we are now in the French Riviera, and it's so convenient. We are right on the tram stop, and it's our first minute outside the hotel. We're trying to figure how to get around this city in Nice, and we've got to tell you, you got to learn about the Ibis hotels. There's one right here. It's our favorite hotel in all of Europe. Every city in Europe has one. The Ibis Budget Hotel. They're usually high rises. We're up on the 10th floor. Got a little view. And it's only $65 a night. You think, oh, it must be out of the way. Well, you can see we're right on the tram trolley line that goes right downtown. A great bargain. It's only $1.50. You can go anywhere and you get to ride for like an hour and a half, and you can get on and off and only pay one time. And you think, oh, for the budget price, it must be a long way away from things, but there's the beach right there. We're gonna walk over there. It's just past the traffic. That's the Mediterranean. Oh, and here's our boulangerie. Yeah, let's go see what French pastries they have. This is always a treat. And everything's so cheap. I'll go out here where I'm not bothering people as I talk. Oh, there's our tram. Did I tell you how convenient the Ibis Hotel is here? The tram comes by like every few minutes. It goes right downtown. You can be there in a few minutes, but we're not going to take the tram. You know, Donald and Rodilla, we walk. We're going to walk down the promenade, which is the #1 attraction in all of Nice. We'll be doing that for the next 2 or 3 hours. We'll be walking the promenade downtown, and we're just going to explore. But my wife's still working on getting the brioche and the chocolate. What are you getting? Brioche? $1.60. Yeah, it's $1.60. All the American prices, I'm telling you. The American prices are out of control. You pay $5, $6 for this. And the French pastries, you got to take my word for it, they're far beyond the quality of American bakeries. So for $1.90, and that's actually a little high. It's usually like $1.20. It's a little high because we're in Nice. Okay, we're gonna have a nice quick bakery petit déjeuner, which is the breakfast.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Yes, we found our boulangerie. It's just across the street from our hotel. It's very cute. It's a very nice French bakery. I think we'll be eating here for the next 7 days. It's so convenient. Here's the sweet brioche. What is it?
Brioche.
Brioche. That's the Filipino accent for brioche. And the chocolate. What is this called?
Croissant.
That's a croissant?
Yeah.
But it's a chocolate. And the orange juice, it's fresh, squeezed. They squeezed the orange juice right here. And what was the total?
$7.
$7 for all of this, and fresh, squeezed orange juice. Our hotel is the Ibis right here. This place is so cute. Our little neighborhood bakery. And it's the real thing. Here's all the piles of flour on the floor. They really do the baking here. Okay, we're gonna eat, but let me tell you real quick about the Ibis Hotel. It's right here. Here comes another tram. They run like every 2 minutes. It's amazing, and it's just $1.50. But the Ibis Hotel chain, we'll tell you more, but we love it. Every big city in Europe has an Ibis. They're kind of a no-frills hotel. They're nice. but they're kind of, I don't know, you might call it a little plain. The rooms are nice, but they don't go for the frills and the expensive things. And they're usually high-rises or 6 or 8, or we're on the 10th floor, we're on the top. We always ask for the top floor, and we usually get it. When you go to the hotel, don't be shy to ask for the highest floor. And we'll be staying in 6 days in Ibises, in Bruges, in Brussels, in Ghent. But we're in Ibis hotels for 13 days. We love Ibis. The high-rise budget hotel. It's almost Holiday Inn quality, but it's no frills. Let's talk. We need to manger. We're going to eat. That's it. We're on the Mediterranean, 1 block from our hotel. Look at, this is Nice right here. We're seeing it for the first time. But this is the #1 attraction of Nice right here. It's the promenade. This goes for miles around the bay. The neat thing is, not only can you walk, but you can bicycle. We're going to rent the bicycles in a day or two, and we're going to bike all across Nice, but especially on the beautiful promenade. We got a lot of walking to do today.
Wow.
You know, Donald and Rodilla, we're famous for walking. We walk 8, 9, 10 miles a day. But this is definitely a walking day. We're going to go 2 miles. The downtown's over there.
Bye.